'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
So today's the first day of spring break, and I'm getting ready. Well, it's not the first break. It's not the first day. It's the second day. Today's Monday. They went on spring break on Friday, and I kept them home on Thursday because we had a tornado warning. So I figured it'd be safer if I kept them home. Anyways, we're gonna go grab something to eat because my daughter wants to get out of the house. So we're gonna go grab something to eat, and then from there, I'm gonna do something special for one of them. They don't know which one yet, and then come back home. No, go to the grocery store and pick up lunch. No, dinner, and then I will see you guys throughout the day. Someone what? Someone's car is peeing.
No, pink.
Oh, pink. I thought you said someone's car is peeing. Look at her.
Can I call Michaela? Yes, I did this.
Can you call who?
Michaela.
So then bring the stroller. Hi, Mama. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. This is how this is gonna go.
Yeah.
Jackson, hold the stroller. Destiny, walk on this side. Jason and Jordan, y'all two big boys are on your own. Let's go. What's this for? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maddie.
Mommy, is the camera on?
Yeah.
Can I see?
No, I got it. Gerber.
Gerber?
Yeah. She likes the kale. I don't think she likes the kale and fig. It's another one. This one. She likes that one. No, that's third food. She's not at that stage. I gotta be careful with the caps because some of these caps don't take the spoon. Which ones do we have? Do we have white spoons? The white pouches? No, we can't do white pouches. We need these.
And mangoes, bananas, squash.
We need this cap.
Where's this go?
Which makes it hard. Pick up a treat for yourself. You can have a treat.
Yay.
You boys can have a treat. Maddie's did we take our thing out? Did we take your bottle out, Maddie? Yes. The struggle is real. With a newborn, it is hard. Cause she wants her food and she wants it right now. Hold this, Mama.
I think Michaela called me. Yeah, Michaela called me, Mommy.
Okay, you're gonna have to call Michaela, but oh, I'm sorry.
What happened?
I squeezed her finger.
She's like, Destiny, which one did you get?
Could you open this for me, Destiny?
Which kind did you get? Boy.
Shh. Relax, relax, relax.
Yeah.
Let's relax.
Where's the girl? Wait, no. Got a boy.
Alright, put this in that McDonald's bag.
I'd rather trade the girl.
Not in your box.
This
Well, if you want to. Look at this. Look at this, people. She is like starving.
I don't know.
She's like, I'm starving. Okay.
Jordan, I don't know where my Smurf is. So. I just have a bunny.
So,
Okay, I'll trade you a girl.
what are you doing?
I'll give you a boy.
You guys are trading? So we're sitting here and I'm like, you know, feeding her.
Give me
And
a girl.
I just got back from Jordan. I'm speaking. Whether or not it be to a camera or to an individual, I'm speaking. So I don't like to speak. I don't like to talk. I don't like to talk and hear children talking over me. I don't like it. Right? When you hear my voice, your voice automatically goes zip. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand?
Yep.
Jordan?
Yeah.
I hear other people understanding, but I don't hear you understanding. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So, why are people in there, Amy? So, I'm gonna go because people are looking at us all weird. But, I don't care. So, I'm gonna feed Maddie, eat my 2 chicken breasts that I ordered from McDonald's, drink my water, and go home. Why is this man? Weird people just be doing weird things. Take them to the Rio. I didn't even pick up dinner. I think I'm just gonna do fish. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I don't like. Good idea. Hi. Yes.
Go. I am so glad that Father in heaven tells of his love in the book he has given. Wonderful things in the Bible I see. This is the dearest that Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. Bye. Ready?
Yeah.
The park? Want to go to the park first?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'll follow you. Mama. Hi. Hi, sweet pea.
Hot.
Are you finished?
No. I'm just hot.
You're hot? I'm hot too. You guys getting ready to go see the ducks?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna go see the ducks, Mama? Huh? Wanna go see the ducks?
Mommy, I'm going to shoot again, Mama.
You're gonna go see the duckies, Mama?
I'm going to go shoot the ducky with my own eyes, Mommy.
The doggies? Alright, let's go feed the ducks.
Let's go feed the ducks. Let's go feed the ducks.
You saw the duck? Did you see the duck? Yeah.
I want to touch it.
You want to touch him?
Here you go, Mommy.
No, because he might bite. Come here, don't touch him.
The wings. Yeah. Hey, Mommy. Last one, Mommy. I gotta touch a duck. Come here. Like, you got Mommy.
Look over here, Mama. Saw the duck? Want to feed the ducks in the pond?
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta get some money.
Yeah.
We gotta get some money in here. Get some. Do I have pennies? It's a quarter.
No, Justin Crossing.
Are you excited?
Yes. Mommy, I put the candy inside your car seat, okay? I put the candy in your car seat.
Gio, are you excited?
Yes. Alright, do you want to go get them? Yeah. Mommy, are you coming?
No. Make sure you put your brother. Make sure he sits, okay? Destiny. Here comes the princess. Here got little Gio all by himself. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, right there. Hi. So exhausted.
Look, Daddy.
So exhausted, and as soon as I pulled in,
The goose is
my husband pulled in as well. I wanted to come home and cook his food
Look.
to be a good, you know, wife. I want to start being a good wife. Like, I want to start, you know, being a good mother.
Where's my food?
Look, Daddy.
Feed, five, four.
I want to start being a good mother and a good wife, and, you know, start doing what I'm supposed to do. But it's hard. So I'm gonna feed Madison. She's due for another bottle because, guys, I'm no longer exclusively breastfeeding. I pump and feed her, but I substitute with formula now. So she takes a bottle, and that's because on Friday we're going to a marriage retreat, and someone has to watch her. So I had to give her a bottle, and it was so hard because the first day that she was on the bottle, it kind of like hurt my heart to just give her a bottle. And I lied not to you guys. She woke up the second day. She went one whole day not taking the boob, and the second day, when she woke up in the middle of the night and was crying, and I gave in, and I felt bad. I felt bad because she was doing so good, and all I needed to do was to get up and go make her a bottle and bring it to her. But instead I just popped the boob in her mouth, and I was just like, I'm sorry. And I felt bad, but it was I felt bad because I was hindering her progress, and I felt bad because that's what I'm supposed to do. So why did I feel so bad? I don't know. It was just a tough thing to feel like I was failing her, but I was failing her in a good way. Like, you know, it's okay if she still nursed from the boob. Like, look at her hand. It's okay if she still nursed from the boob. It's okay. But I don't want her to, you know, be upset when I'm gone and want, you know, to I don't want her to, you know, be sad when I'm gone because she's attached to nursing from the boob. I'm rambling. I'm gonna go feed her from the bottle, and I will see you guys. Okay guys, so this is everything I got Madison's at Walmart. So I got her this little food pouch, because I told you guys turn off the light and close the door to the bathroom. I told you guys I'm going away for the weekend on Friday, so I figured this would be easier for when she for when my mother or whoever be watching her, I'm not sure yet, is here. She can just put the food in here and just feed it to her. And then I got her these pouches. She loves peaches. So I got her just peach. I got her peach, banana, apricot. I got banana and blueberries. I figured since this has blueberries, she'll like it. But she's not a fan of banana, so unless it's like mixed in with something else, she won't eat it. So I'm hoping she'll eat this. I know she likes the peach mixed in with the banana. And then I got her an apple, raspberry, spinach, and Greek yogurt. And I got her the pear and mango. Again, she does not like mango by itself, but she will eat it when it's mixed in with other fruit. I don't know what it is about my child. And then I'm going to try her on the orange banana. They don't have much of these pouches without bananas. Like, it's very weird. And then I got her the 4-pack, and I didn't realize that I got her the Smart Flow, which was the ones I was telling you guys about that doesn't fit the spoon. So these are just apples, blueberries, and spinach. So I'm trying to get her to incorporate her vegetables. And this is carrot, apples, and mangoes. So that's just a 4-pack. And then over here, these are just options for her oatmeal. So I got her I got a pear and pineapple, and my mom can mix that in with her cereal, which is the oatmeal and peach apple cereal. She loves this one. She hates the rice one, but she loves this one. And then I got her this apples and banana with mixed cereal, so that she won't have to mix this one. It's already mixed. And then I got her this one, which is banana plum grape. So hopefully she likes this one. This one is new. She's tried this one and she likes it. This is new as well. And then she's still taking, I'm still supplementing her. And I love these for her. She's a little bit past the newborn stage, but I still like them because of the size and the convenience. So I just usually take one of this and mix it with this, and that's her breakfast. And I bought 4. One is in the kitchen. So that's it, guys.